What is up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to unbox my first ever camera, the DJI Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo. I'm really excited what's in the box, so let's get started. So this is my DJI Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo. We have the accessory box and the DJI Action 5 Pro camera. So let's open the accessories. And I really like this one kasi full pack yung battery niya. It has like 3 batteries. Oh, cool. Super big capacity. Quick start guide. Yan siya. This one I believe is a sticker. Oh, cool. We have different kinds of stickers, guys. Our DJI Action 5 Pro. And this is, I believe, you can use this to helmet if you are going for an adventure. Other one, I think it comes with, so this is their extension rod. It extends up to 1.5. You can put a tripod here. And last but not the least, our camera. Wow! Engine running. So I'm currently recording. So far, it's so cute, so handy, sobrang gaan niya, guys. I'm really loving it. You can click this one and voila! Hello!
A few moments later.
So I'm currently recording this video here in the DJI Action 5 Pro. I think this one is fine for my vlogging. And the reason why I bought this instead of the Osmo Pocket 3 is because Osmo Pocket 3 is not built for a very rough and extreme condition. So medyo careless tayo at alam mo yon, kapag mababagsak mo lang siya ng konti, very sensitive si Osmo Pocket 3 dahil nga sa gimbal functionality niya. And unlike this one, you can use it on the extreme environment. Though you can use it as well, I believe, You can use it as well in the indoor vlogging. And this one is a waterproof, shockproof, and rugged. So I don't have to worry about this getting wet. And also, yung stabilization niya is maganda rin naman. And I've watched a lot of videos just to compare the difference between Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Action 5 Pro. Yung deciding factor ko talaga, guys, is yung durability ng camera. Yun talaga, kasi very sensitive nga po yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah, I think this one is a good choice for me. For me lang ha. As well as the battery life nito, because it has 2 extra batteries. And I'm not really sure kung how long yung recording time niya through time ng tuloy-tuloy. Pero I like it because it has extra batteries and extra power that I can record. Ano pa ba? This one I bought for like 500 dirhams lower than the Osmo Pocket 3. So this one is much more cheaper than the Osmo Pocket 3. Yun lang. Yung deciding factor ko lang talaga is durable siya, and I don't have to worry about it getting thrown off my bag and whatnot. And yeah, this one has a... what's this one? Face tracking. May face tracking feature din naman siya kahit pa paano. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong na-explore. But yeah, I would definitely study more about the specs of this camera. And then, versatile din siya kasi pwede ko siyang may gamit kung gusto ko mag-record ng horizontal or vertical. As long as I have this protective case, then I can use it when recording vertical videos for like shorts and reels sa Facebook and TikTok and Instagram. I think I like this far. I'm really loving it. So, I'm not really into the mood to... Sakit ang ulo, guys. I think that's gonna be it. So, let me know, guys, if you like this video recorded on my camera. Wala pa akong mic. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng DJI mic for this. But definitely, I think the internal mic of this one is good as well. So, let's see kung ano yung sounds niya. So, yun lang guys. I think pwede ko na siyang magamit kahit saan ko na siya ilapag. Hindi na ako mag-worry kasi pag yung phone ko yung ginagamit ko sa pag-record, medyo nahihiya kasi talaga ako. So, I think this one works for me as an introvert person. As a mahiyain person, pwede ko na siyang isingit-singit kahit saan. So, yeah, I'm so excited. And yun lang guys. So far, I'm really loving this camera and I'm really happy kasi this is my first buy camera. And I can see myself in front na nagre-record. So, I don't have to worry about anything kung I'm in frame or not. But I can see that I'm in frame. So, yun lang guys. I hope you guys like this video. Medyo masama kasi yung pakiramdam ko, but I'm super excited to unbox this one. So, if you like this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel for more upcoming videos. And yeah, I'm super excited talaga to vlog more. I mean, to film my life here in Dubai. So, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye-bye!